Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to look at another Python concept in software engineering. So, in this video, we are going to look at WebSockets module in Python. Okay, so WebSockets module enables real-time bi-directional communication between clients and servers over a persistent TCP connection. Unlike HTTP, it maintains open connections for instant data exchange. Python's WebSockets module implements the WebSockets protocol RFC 6455 for both client and server. Built on Asyncio, it handles multiple connections efficiently. Connections start as HTTP requests and upgrade to WebSockets using the WS colon // or WSS colon // which is a secure version of the URI. All major browsers support this technology, and now we'll look at how Python WebSockets work and common use cases. So the WebSocket connection flow involves one, the client sends HTTP handshake with upgrade WebSocket header, and then the server will respond with a 101 switching protocol. On the third step of the flow, a persistent full duplex channel is actually established, and then messages exchanged without repeated requests. The next, support text and binary frames with minimal overhead. So that's it for the WebSocket flow. And live chat applications, for example, which are under the SMS category, have real-time messaging with instant delivery and typing indicators. We also have multiplayer games where responsive gaming with synchronized states across players. Another example with this is real-time dashboard with live monitoring systems for analytics, Internet of Things data, and also metrics. So that's it for WebSockets in Python. If you have any questions, do post it in the comment section and we will assist you. Thank you for watching this video.